Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I have this beautiful pre-plucked body wave 613 full lace wig Remy human hair. Yes, it's human hair. I'm so excited to go ahead and install this. So basically this tutorial is to just show you guys how I'm going to install this. I carry the wig over the area, just set it in place how I want, and I'll take like the back of a comb, press it in. Now if you notice, this came pre-plucked. I did not do any additional work, like in terms of plucking. I didn't do any additional plucking. So as you can see, I'm just pushing the lace into the skin so that everything looks, you know, melted. So my next step is basically drying the area. I have my blow dryer and it's on cool air, never hot, because you only can lay the lace with cool air, okay? I'm basically done with applying my adhesive, and all I used for the adhesive was my Got To Be freezing spray. So I'm really thinking, should I go with a side part? Okay, so yes, that's how the lace is looking. Pretty good. So now I just want to lay the area. So I'm doing a side part. I'm just gonna go ahead, get a little bit of my Got To Be freezing spray, lightly spray the area right there. Use this comb, this rat tail comb I got in my RPG hair package, and just really like comb everything flat, and then take the wand to further lay down. And the lace looks so well melted. I just want to put some, you know, very light curls to kind of redefine the look. See, I got glam and I'm back to just unravel my hair. That's it. So until next time, bye. I really love the way that this is looking. So all the specifications to this wig will be down below in the description box. So go ahead and check that out, guys. Check it out. The direct link to where you can order it, all the specifications, everything will be down below. So go ahead, check that out. And if you want extra dollars off, go ahead and use my discount code SUE15 and Petty10, $4 off. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this installation tutorial. I hope it was informative. Give it a thumb up if it was, and that's it. So until next time, bye.